Hello, welcome to Debt Busters and welcome to another YouTube video. Do you want to start a faceless YouTube channel but have no idea what niches are popular right now? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 viral faceless cash cow channels and show you examples of channels that are succeeding in those niches. We will also reveal how much these channels earn and how you can monetize them using other monetization strategies. Stay tuned to find out which channel is earning over $10,000 per day from YouTube. You might notice the topics of the videos are coming from conversations I have with viewers in the comments section or from polls in the community post. So be sure to comment on the video and participate in the polls to tell me what kind of content you'd like to see. Subscribe and turn on the post notification. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So what does entering a viral niche mean? I am aware that some people may have this question. The importance of making videos in a popular niche is obvious. One of its benefits is that it will guarantee that YouTube will acknowledge and have a large audience for the niche in which you are producing videos. A large audience means more views, and more views equal more revenue. You want to be in a niche that is competitive and growing. I also hear complaints about how competitive a certain niche is. If the niche is saturated, that means there is room for you to grow. It's critical to understand that YouTube only pushes content to people to watch if the content is in a niche that people enjoy. You're probably wondering how YouTube determines whether or not a piece of content has an audience. How do they know that people aren't going to like a video that someone worked hard to create? They can tell if someone enjoys a piece of content by the time they spend watching it. So for example, if someone watches a video on YouTube about how to make faceless YouTube videos, guess what they'll see? Our videos on the recommendations set. Please watch, enjoy, and click on them to help us grow our YouTube channel. With that said, let's get started on our list of the top 5 viral niches. Number 5, technology niche. The technology niche is one of the go-to viral niches because we are in the 21st century and we all know that almost everything now revolves around technology. Every day new gadgets are invented and people want to know how they work and other details. 3 factors contribute to the popularity of this niche among YouTubers. 1 is a high CPM niche, which means you'll earn more money per 1,000 views. 2nd, there are numerous sub-niches to choose from, such as product reviews or the best futuristic tech products. 3rd, this niche can be monetized through non-advertising methods, potentially earning more than just ad money. Let me mention some example channels in this niche. My first suggestion is a channel called Top 10 Zone. With 543,000 subscribers, they only upload simple videos like top 10 best laptops for students. The video has received approximately 400,000 views. To name a few topics, the majority of their videos are about consumer electronics, various modes of personal transportation, camping gear and gadgets, survival gear, bike accessories, travel gadgets, and cameras. The exciting thing about this channel is that they use other people's videos and nobody but the people in the stock videos show their faces. So they write a simple screenplay that is helpful, informative, and transformative, then add a voiceover and create videos like top 10 coolest summer gadgets you'll love. According to Social Blade statistics, the channel receives over 1.4 million monthly views and earns between $350 and $5,600 in ad revenue. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you should be aware that Social Blade's profit estimates are usually incorrect. Social Blade uses a CPM or cost per mil estimate of 25 cents to $4 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. The CPM in the tech niche will be substantially higher than $4 per 1,000 views, but notoriously hard to nail down. Depending on the subject and keywords used, it can be $4 to $300 for a video on the Dell XPS 15 touchscreen, or as little as $1 to $5 for a video talking about men's power tools. From my research, we can conservatively estimate a CPM of $16 to $20 in the tech niche. With that being said, it's likely a channel like Top 10 Zone can make $22,400 to $28,000 per month. TechZone is another channel that covers a wide range of technology topics. One of their videos is titled 10 New Bike Inventions You Should Watch. The channel has over 4 million subscribers. This channel receives approximately 12 million monthly views and earns between $192,000 and $240,000 in ad revenue before YouTube takes its 45% cut. Tech Update, Tech Vision, Tech Plan, and TTI are some other channels that make videos in the tech niche. These are just a few examples of channels that have done well in the tech market by simply uploading videos they did not create themselves. So, if you're starting a technology channel, I strongly advise you to take some inspiration from these channels and create videos similar to what you see there. We've done detailed videos about it if you want to see how to make videos in this niche. In fact, we've done so many of these types of videos on the channel. I've put together a playlist where you can get more information on these niches. I'll leave a link in the comments that you can use when this video is done. Before we get too far into it, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Just imagine if you had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your own face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. Number 4, personal finance. Personal finance is another one of the viral niches. This could also be classified as how-to or education. In essence, you make videos about how to make money online, improve your finances, or invest. This requires you to share useful, well-researched information. You can create presentations in Canva or PowerPoint, then record your screen to show the information without revealing your face. This niche has extremely high-paying ads because it is in the finance industry. When you monetize it, you can earn good ad money and large potential affiliate commissions. Given the breadth of this subject, I recommend narrowing your video production to a specific area of finance. You can always diversify later, but this is another idea for a faceless YouTube channel. This could be investing, e-commerce, YouTube, real estate, or learning how to make money on social media. Let me give you a few examples of faceless YouTube channels producing videos about personal finance. I want to share an example channel called Next Level Life. The channel offers advice on budgeting, saving money, investing, and other topics. Currently, the channel has around 200,000 subscribers. If you look through their collection, you'll notice videos like how to legally never pay taxes again. According to statistics, the channel receives approximately 160,000 views per month. A CPM of around $35 per 1,000 views is typical for the personal finance niche. That means this channel earns around $5,600 per month. Number 3, luxury niche. The luxury is another viral niche. This includes topics such as the most expensive watches, the most expensive hotels, and the most expensive cars. I'm sure you've interacted with one of those videos while browsing YouTube. People are curious about some of the most expensive things in the world, which makes this a viral niche. As a result, videos in this niche typically receive millions, if not hundreds of thousands of views. The luxury niche has a high CPM, which means that more advertisers prefer to advertise on this type of video rather than random videos on YouTube. When someone uploads a prank video to YouTube, fewer advertisers want to place advertisements on those videos. Affiliate marketing, selling your digital products, and selling other things on the back end of your YouTube channel are all options for monetizing the luxury niche. The luxury niche can allow you to advertise products from sites such as Digistore24.com and Clickbank.com and potentially earn more money than just ad revenue. Let me show you an example channel doing the same thing to give you a better idea of how much money you can make if you succeed in this niche. A-Lux.com is the name of the channel I'd like to show you. This channel has over 4 million subscribers. According to the channel's statistics, it receives over 5 million views per month and earns between $1,100 and $17,200 per month according to Social Blade. Our research indicates that the luxury niche may earn CPMs in the $60 range, meaning that the team at A-Lux.com are conservatively earning $300,000 per month or $10,000 per day for their efforts before YouTube takes their share. Mr. Luxury is another channel in this niche. The channel's owner launched it in 2018 and now has over 600,000 subscribers. According to the Social Blade statistics, this channel receives over 600,000 views per month and earns between $166 and $2,700 per month solely from ad revenue. We know from our research that the Mr. Luxury is likely earning around $36,000 per month. Number 2, sports niche. The sports niche is appealing because you can pursue any sport you want, whether it's boxing, rugby, soccer, football, basketball, or any other sport you like. So once you've narrowed your niche to a specific sport, you can begin searching for and re-uploading videos related to that sport to make money. To avoid receiving copyright strikes, I recommend that you stick to underserved sports and teams with passionate fan bases and include commentary on top of the sports videos. A word to the wise. You may notice that there is a lot of competition in the sports niche. You'll see channels playing clips of NBA, NFL, and USC and think these channels are rolling in money. In fact, many of these channels might have their most successful videos copyright striked. There are ways around this that you can learn. One of them is to never use clips from Major League sports in the first place. You'll have to be more creative with your titles and thumbnails. However, the competition will be lower, your viewers will be loyal and passionate, and you'll be more likely to monetize your channel. Use clips from high school and college sports that don't make it to TV instead if you want to be sure to avoid copyright claims. That being said, for entertainment purposes, we'll assume all the channels we talk about are monetized and have no copyright strikes. If you're interested in learning how to get around copyright strikes in the sports niche, comment #interested in the comments section. I'll make a video about it if I get more than 50 people commenting #interested. To help you understand how this is done, I'll show you some examples of channels in various categories of the sports niche. As a result, the basketball focus is one of many categories in the sports niche. With this faceless sports YouTube channel idea, you can show the best plays of the week in a highlight reel with slow motion shots on a simple top 10 countdown. If you want to focus on basketball, numerous coverage opportunities are available, especially during the NBA season. It is not limited to the NBA. You can also specialize in college basketball or a favorite athlete. Slam High School is an ideal example of a sports YouTube channel that fits into the guidelines we discussed earlier. Slam High School channel has over 240,000 subscribers and over 1.8 million monthly viewers. Social Blade estimates a monthly income ranging from $462 to $4,700. However, I've found that channels in the sports niche earn between $5 and $35 per 1,000 monetized playbacks according to my research. Let's assume that a channel showing high school basketball games earns $5 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. That means Slam High School is a basketball channel, not featuring any NBA or even college basketball stars, that still earns $9,000 per month. If you're starting a sports channel, I highly recommend taking some inspiration from this channel and making videos similar to what you see there. Number 1. Celebrity niche. Another niche that has seen success on YouTube over the years is the celebrity niche, which appears to be here to stay. So what exactly is the celebrity niche? Essentially, the celebrity niche encompasses everything that is going on in the world of celebrities. Celebrity niche channels produce the following types of videos. Videos about what celebrities spend their money on, who and who are dating, who and who broke up, and much more. In short, anything involving celebrities can be found on these channels. So I'd like to introduce you to the Pop Juice channel. Pop Juice is a celebrity-focused channel. In the last 30 days, they uploaded approximately 200 videos, garnering 3.8 million views. My research indicates that channels in the celebrity niche have a CPM of $5 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. That means that a channel like Pop Juice is likely earning $19,000 per month before YouTube takes its cut. The good news is that they post 25 times per month, which is about twice as often as I post. As a result, many keywords related to the personalities they cover are targeted on this channel. They are targeting celebrities. As a result, if you watch these channels, you will notice that they always focus on specific terms or keywords. Furthermore, good keywords such as this channel consistently target specific celebrity names. So if you're creating a celebrity channel, I strongly advise you to take some inspiration from Pop Juice and create videos similar to what you see there. But think about how you can do it more efficiently. All these channels can earn more money because YouTube AdSense is not just the only method of generating revenue streams. Here's another source of income for them. Another method of monetizing the videos is through affiliate marketing. Because it is so simple, this is the most acceptable monetization strategy. As a result, you can be considered a middleman who introduces a customer to a service or product in exchange for a commission. Assume you go to a website for affiliates, such as digistore24.com. There are numerous products to sell in that situation. Once you've determined which product you want to promote, include a link to the description and pin it in the comment section of each video you post. Inform your audience about the links you shared in the video. It is critical to understand that if an affiliate product is relevant to the material they were viewing, the likelihood of them purchasing it increases. Choosing a product that complements the video you're making is critical to generating a second source of income. We'd like to hear your thoughts on this. Which of the top 5 niches mentioned above do you think is the best? Comment down below and let's engage. We love hearing from you. Some of you may be aware that my channel is associated with Matt Parr. He provides a variety of secret growth tactics for making money online in 2022 using YouTube cash cow channels. If you're interested, you can find his 100% free course under the description. It shows you how to make up to $30,000 each month online, just like he does. If you enjoyed this video, then check out this video on your screen that I selected just for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.